In this video, I'll teach you how to download Killer Bean, Treat, and HappyMod. So we're going to go to our mobile phone to download it right now. But first, that we're going to do, go to Chrome to download HappyMod. And you're going to click on Chrome. Yes, that Chrome. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to wait right now till it load up perfectly. Now go into Chrome right now, guys. Right now. Now we're going to click on that type option. Click on that type option now. Type in HappyMod. Right now, I'm going to type in HappyMod. This modless button now. And the S button now. And you finish typing it, you're going to click on go. Yes, guys. Now HappyMod is searching up. Now this is the first page. Now what we're going to do, we're going to click on that link. Yes, you're going to click on that HappyMod link right now. Click on it. When you click on the link, it can lead you to this website, this HappyMod website now, guys. What you're going to do is scroll down now and click on download now. Now you're going to click on download now. That is the white one. You're going to click on download now, guys. Click on it. Now we click on download now. You're going to click on download. That is the blue button right there under that HappyMod logo. You're going to click on that blue right now. Click on it. Now we're going to click on download anyways. Click on download anyways. Click on open. Now you're going to click on details to see when it download. Yes, guys. We're going to click on details to see when it's downloading. Now you're going to click on install. So I don't know the way you're going to download this HappyMod to make it right. Click on install now. The app is installing now, guys. So soon as the app installing, I'll show you the next step. Click on open, guys. You can tap on open right now. Now after install HappyMod now, you're going to click on HappyMod to go to this page right now when you download it. Right, you see HappyMod? HappyMod. Now you're going to click on that type option right now. Click on that type option right now. Type in Killer Bean in that search bar. That I am going to type in now. Killer Bean right now. Now you're going to click on Killer Bean on this. Click on it. Right there, we download HappyMod now. We're going to download Killer Bean through HappyMod. That's HappyMod that I downloaded before. Now we're going to download this Killer Bean through HappyMod to make it work. Now we're going to scroll down right now, guys, right here. Yes, guys, where you see all weapon play pockets are open, you're going to click on download on that one. Click on download, guys. You click on download on that one. You're going to click on download start. It's after you click on download start. Now you're going to see that circle thing come up. Say that Killer Bean is downloaded. At I'm pointing on, guys, you're going to see this circle something come up. That means your Killer Bean are downloaded fast right now. The Killer Bean is download fast, right? Where you see I'm pointing that arrow. That is download 100% that Killer Bean. You're going to see unknown app staging. Now you're going to click on that settings. Click on that HappyMod settings and turn on permission. Then you click on install on Killer Bean. Yeah. Now you're going to see this page come back. Now you're going to tap on install right there. Tap on install. Now you're going to see that your Killer Bean is installed in right now. Now you're going to tap on open. Click on open, guys. Yes, I tap on open. Now you're going to see that your Killer Bean is open up now, guys. As you can see, Killer Bean open up. Yes, guys, you got to go to store to purchase this weapon. Go to store right now. Yes. And now you purchase this weapon, you're going to see it automatic own, guys. That means you purchase every weapon you want. So guys, remember, you have to go in the Killer Bean store to purchase that weapon. So when you're playing your game now, you're going to see that your weapon 100% working, guys. If you didn't go to the store before you start play, you're not going to see this weapon switching. So you have to go to Killer Bean store to see that your weapon is unlocked and switching in the game. So you aka Killer Bean with HappyMod. Don't forget to like this video and share it out to some more people who need this Killer Bean HappyMod hack right now.